Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, Team Vans TV. So guys, in today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano tayo mag-claim ng voucher from sa Maya app. Okay, so keep on watching guys. So guys, first, hanapin lang natin dito yung Get Rewards. Okay, so dito sa Get Rewards guys, meron tayong makikita na vouchers. Go to claim them before they are gone. So, dito yung vouchers, guys. So, click lang natin itong vouchers. Okay, so, dito guys, makita natin yung available vouchers na pwede nating i-claim. Okay, so, dito, makita natin yung available. So, mayroon akong 3 piso. Okay, so, mayroon pang valid to guys until July 24, 2024. Okay, so dito guys sa akin dito bali until July 26, 2024. So meron akong 3 piso dito guys. Okay, so dito i-claim ko dito. Pero dito guys makikita natin yan guys, oh, na-claim ko na yan before ko yung iba. Okay? Yan, meron kasing binibigay si Maya na mga cashback. Okay? So once na kayo, may binili kayo sa supermarket gamit ang inyong Maya card. Okay? And then kuya, nag-grocery kayo. Okay? Nagbayad kayo ng bills sa Meralco or sa Waters, Manila Water. Pwede kayong makakakuha nito guys ng mga voucher. Okay? Na cashback. Okay, so pag nagbayad kayo ng mga bills, pwede kayong bigyan ni Maya ng mga cashback. Okay? Okay, so dito sa available, so ito ngayon is gagawin ko is i-claim ko na. Okay? Bago mag-expired. Si valid until June 26, 2024 and valid until July 24, 2024. Okay, so first, ito muna guys. Itong 3 piso. So, meron ditong terms and conditions. This voucher can only be redeemed during the validity period. This voucher is non-refundable and cannot be exchanged for cash in a part or full and is valid in single transaction only. So, nakita nyo dito guys, is July 2024 ang expiration nito. Okay? So, ngayon, i-claim ko na yung claim. And then, tatanungin kayo kung confirm nyo, i-claim nyo. Click nyo yung confirm. Okay, voucher successfully claim. Okay, so ngayon, makaka-receive kayo ng text from Maya. Okay, so dito, makita nyo dito, you receive 3 pesos in your Maya wallet. Okay, balance is 10.51. Okay, so ngayon, check natin. Okay, check natin dito sa yan, nakalagay dito voucher successfully claim. Okay, so close ko lang to guys. Check natin. So natira na lang dito guys yung isa pang Maya voucher ko na 3 pang voucher. So the same lang, click lang natin itong and then click lang natin din itong claim and confirm. Click natin confirm. Okay, sabi dito, voucher successfully claim. Okay, the same, naka-receive din ako ng text from Maya. Okay? So, close ko lang to guys. Okay, so ngayon, nadagdagan na siya. Naging 13 point na tayo mag-claim ng voucher using from Maya app. Okay, so if you have any questions guys, please let me know. Then, sasagutin ako agad guys mga questions nyo. Okay? So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ito, please like, share, and subscribe. And click notification bell button para updated kayo guys sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys and God bless.